Welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make some cauliflower steaks, and I will be using a pistachio caper salsa on the steaks. I'll be using our pickled jalapeno craft puree. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to saute some capers in some olive oil. These capers have been patted dry. I'm going to saute the capers until they're nice and crispy. This gives a really nice toasty flavor to the salsa. You want to cook them until they burst. I'm going to add a little bit of oregano. You can use dried oregano, you can use powdered oregano, or fresh oregano. Now you just add all your other ingredients: fresh parsley, chopped pistachios, raisins, white balsamic vinegar, and Amoretti pickled jalapeno craft puree. Stir this together, and it will sit for the time that it takes us to cook our main ingredient, so the flavors can meld. This salsa can be used on chicken or meat or fish. It's a little bit sweet with the raisins and a little spicy because of our jalapeno craft puree. And of course it has that beautiful nutty flavor with the sauteed capers and pistachios. I'm going to make some cauliflower puree that will go underneath the cauliflower steaks. These little florets are the ends of the cauliflower after I've cut the steaks. So I'm just going to boil them. I'm going to boil the florets for about 6 to 8 minutes and then puree them. Now that this cauliflower has cooked till it's nice and tender, I'm going to puree it with a little bit of lemon zest, some tahini, a clove of garlic, and a little bit of water. Now I will put it in the bowl. So I'm going to saute some cauliflower steaks in a little bit of oil. All right, so the steaks have been cooked. We're going to put a little bit of puree on the plate, a little bit of salsa. And then I'm just going to drizzle it with the Amoretti olive oil that's infused with Kalamata olives. So we'll just put a little bit on here, a little bit of parsley, and some lemons. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. We want to keep you updated on all of our discounts, our promos, and of course the giveaways. See you next time.